Hello everyone. My name is Steve Yuki. I'm a software engineer from Kenya, but currently living and working in Sweden. This is my demonstration of the implementation of the Global Power Rankings Hackathon, hosted on DevPost and sponsored by AWS and Riot Games. I have not played LOL before, but as a result of this hackathon, I have watched and followed a number of tournament games, including the LEC final between Fnatic and G2 and the LCS final between Energy and Cloud9. So my implementation is purely statistical for starters. I have not employed any machine learning or AI into this work. At the same time, I leaned heavily into what's already available um, on the internet or what's being used by a number of teams out there, which includes, the likes of Elo Rankings and SPI by ESPN, because I thought that they actually have the basic foundations of what I needed um, to actually build this. So I've dubbed my implementations LOLPI or League of Legends Power Index. So I'll go straight into the presentation, and while I do so, I'll also just explain how we actually get to the results that you see. So on the screen, we have um, international ranking. You can see 361 international LOL esport teams, but we have way more than these. So these specific teams that you're seeing ranked here are those that I've analyzed for the period of 1st January 2023 to date. So not everybody, of course, is included in this list. And when you land on the first page, what you're seeing here is actually cached. So uh, the results will load pretty fast because this has already been computed and stored. The other things that I should mention is that this system is actually built with a number of tools, or I used a number of tools, including Python, PHP, and the database that I chose to use is MariaDB, and specifically um, running on AWS RDS. All right. So when you land here, the first thing you'll see are all the teams ranked from the first team to the last team that have played any games this year. You'll see favorites like Gen G at the top and the number of games that they've actually participated in. So currently 123 for the year 2023, and they have an LOL or LOLPI score of 49.92. It is pretty high, and also I'd say pretty decent. But we have to consider that this team has actually played a good number of games. They are also a relatively good team, so they will rank high, if not among at least the top 10 in League of Legends. So other teams included in the top 10 include T1, KT Rollstar, Nongshim, DK, DRX, HLE, and the likes of D Plus that are known by a number of people.